So friends, I got this Graco 4Ever Extend2Fit, which goes from 0 to 10 years. I think I got it for 100 or 150 US dollar. I'm going to cross check the price and put it in the description. But today the objective here is to open it and install it in the car and show it to you how does it look. So when I open it, it seems to be like already in a one piece. I think it will be very easy setup for me. So we have belts and the seat is already there. So I just need to take it out and put it in the car. At a very broad level, you can see this is my car seat, Graco. There are two things which are very obvious as you open it. One, you will see the extension panel. Another one you will see the recline. So the extension, let's cross check the extension here. Just bear with me. Oh, this is the way you can extend it. Okay, and then if you just press this one, pull it towards you. I think here we have these 6 way that you can rotate it. You just hold it and see. You can see it is turning. Now see, it has turned. Primarily, if you have a very young baby, less than 1 year, it has to be rear fitted. So you can even do like that. So there are 3. I think not 3, even 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orientation here, and rest is like very straightforward. I think we have some cups. It seems to be well padded, very well padded. Seems to be very comfy here. Yeah. Oh, we have also even have the headrest and harness here. I'm just exploring with you. Okay. Oh, you can just pull it and you can just pull this up in case if your baby is big enough. Okay. Good. That's the way. I'm now going to install it in the car and then show it to you. So I just open this box. You can see these are like for water bottle or something. Then we have this manual, and there is one more thing. I'm going to figure this out and then I'm going to share with you. But I think these cup holders will go left and right like this, and then we should be all for installing the cup. You just unbuckle it from here and put the cup here. There are 2 cups. They're not interchangeable. One go on the left hand side, one go on the right hand side. So if you can see, this is kind of a bulge out. This go on the right hand side and this goes on the left hand side. Once you're done, you put it back and then you do the second one as well. I know most of you will be aware that in case if you want to loosen this belt, how do you do that? As always, like in standard car seats, you just lift it here, lift it and put your finger. You will feel a spring. Just press it, and when you pull it, you will be able to loosen the straps here. So just press it. If you want to tighten it, you just pull this one. If you loosen it, put your finger, press it, and then you pull this one. Now if I look into the back of the seat, you can see this strap. You need to pull this out and put it in the back of your car seat, and you put a car seat through this one. There are certain holes here. I'll figure that out, but this is certainly like a long one. You have to pull this out and put it in the back of a car seat. You will see a pointer there to connect it. I'll show you when I take it in the car. So as I was stating, this is primarily for in case if it's like your car seat is anchor position, if it's a front facing, but then you should put it in this anchor position. You can see here on the back of the car seat. But if it's a front facing, if it's like a front facing for a very small child, you just keep it attached that you're not supposed to use this one. Instead, you have to take this out here. You can see this one here out. I'm just holding my phone. Just bear with me. You press this button and take this out. Once you are out, then I will show you the next step. So there are 2 latch straps. One is on this side and one is on this side. So you just take both of them and make sure that your car seat is inclined for the forward location. You recline the car seat and you just put it in the car, and then what you need to do here is that you have to tighten the latch strap by forming it down the center of the seat and tightening the lap to the latch connectors, which you will find in the car. I think this way it will be very tightened up. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show you the final way. So this is where both the latches will fix here, if you can see here, and it will be rear facing. So I'm going to install it now. What the way my car seat looks like. I have put it in the front rear facing 1 position. little lap will go here, and if you want to tighten the latch here, if you can see here on my screen here, once you do it, you just pull this on up and you can tighten it up. So my car seat is all set. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do let me know.